Hey everyone! Welcome to English Word Hub. Imagine yourself 1 year from today. You walk into a room, meet new people, and confidently start a conversation in English. You don't hesitate, you don't struggle to find words, and you don't feel nervous anymore. Instead, English flows naturally, and you express yourself with ease. But wait, how did you get here? Was it luck? No. Was it magic? No, the answer is simple: consistency, daily effort, commitment. Welcome to the 365-day English Challenge. For the next 1 year, we are going to guide you step by step to improve your English. No shortcuts, no unrealistic promises, just real, practical, and effective learning. Why this challenge? Do you know why most people fail to speak English fluently? It's not because they lack intelligence. It's not even because they don't know enough words. It's because they don't practice every day. Think about this. If you go to the gym for just 1 day, will you become fit? No. If you drink water once, will you stay hydrated forever? No. The same goes for English. 1 day of practice is not enough. You need to train your brain daily to think and speak in English. That's why we have created this 365-day plan for you. A simple, step-by-step journey to improve your English every day. How this challenge works: every day, you will receive a small task to complete. These tasks will be fun, easy, and practical. They will include speaking exercises, grammar practice, listening activities, and vocabulary building. Even if you spend just 10 to 15 minutes a day, you will see a difference over time. Here is a sneak peek at what's coming. Day 1. Record yourself speaking. Speak about your daily routine for 1 minute and record it. We will provide you an example daily routine. Day 5. Tongue Twister Challenge. Day 30. Think in English, the silent practice. Day 100. Have a real conversation in English. Day 365. You are confident, fluent, and unstoppable. Are you excited? Because this will change your life. Who can join this challenge? If you are a beginner, this challenge will give you a strong foundation. If you already know English but lack fluency, this will help you speak confidently. If you are afraid of making mistakes, this will train you to overcome your fear. The only thing you need to do is show up every day. Imagine if you improve just 1% every day. By the end of 1 year, you will have improved 365%. Your first step starts now. Are you ready to begin? Comment "I am ready" below and commit to this challenge. Subscribe now and turn on the notifications so you never miss a lesson. This is your time. 1 year from now, you look back and be proud of what you achieved. Let's do this together.